This is the fourth and probably going to be the last on this visit video of the new carrier heat pump. Haven't gotten a startup video yet, but my aunt told me not to mess with the thermostat, so I'm not going to mess with the thermostat. It really cooled off, so I'm hoping maybe, even if it's not a steam show, I can get a video of it just defrosting, because that would be pretty cool. It has actually been kind of mild lately. I think they had this put in the week after Thanksgiving, so I wouldn't be surprised if it hasn't defrosted yet. And that looks like a spider's egg sac. I think that's what that is. It's stuck in there, but good. Don't know if all this water around the bottom of the unit is from the little bit of rain we got, and it was snowing when we were out earlier. But or if it's from a defrost cycle. I'm guessing it's probably from the rain because there's like water along the top of the unit. It's got a Copeland scroll compressor, very quiet. And I do believe they actually replaced the disconnect box. Because if I remember correctly, when the train was still here, it had a picture of a duck on it. No, not freezing up. Oh wait, yes it is freezing up. That was just my zipper running along the condenser grill. Yeah, that is frozen up. It actually is frozen up. Maybe it will steam. This thing definitely doesn't have demand defrost, so maybe it will kick into a defrost cycle. It's already got pine needles and shit in it. I would love to have the camera pointed at that reversing valve if and when it goes into defrost. And I just can't get over how much smaller it is than the train. Watch the video of the train from Thanksgiving and watch this video and you'll see what I mean. Alright, I don't think it's going to steam. But yeah, this is the new carrier heat pump. Hopefully next time I come here, I'll get a video of it defrosting. Out.